Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to block or unblock someone on Facebook. The process is really simple. First, go to your Facebook app. Then tap on three horizontal lines at top right corner of your screen. Here you can see the option of settings. Tap on it. On this page, scroll down and you can see in audience and visibility the blocking option. The second last option, tap on it and then tap on add to blacklist, and here search the name or an email of person that you want to block. Here you can see in the front of the name you can see the option of block, then tap on block. It will confirm from you, then tap on block. In this way you can block someone on Facebook. Now I am going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. Go back and here you can see the unblock option in the front of the name of blocked person, then tap on unblock, then confirm it. In this way you can unblock someone on Facebook. So this was the process by which you can block or unblock someone on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.